Hi students! Let's walk through how to manage lesson notes in the student portal. It's simple. Lesson notes are an essential tool for keeping track of important learning materials provided by your teachers. These notes are automatically added because they're linked to the courses you're enrolled in. Teachers can also send notes to you as additional resources or instructions. To start, head to the navigation menu and select Lesson Notes. This will open a table displaying all your available lesson notes, including details like title, course sender, and more. To personalize how you view the table, use the Rearrange column button to drag and drop columns in your preferred order. If you ever need to reset the layout, simply click the Reset button. If you're looking for a specific lesson note, use the search bar or click on column header to sort items chronologically. The Actions column provides two options. The Preview button lets you view the content directly in the portal, while Download allows you to save the note to your device for offline access. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.